Hey guys, it's Brad out at Leith Chrysler Jeep in Raleigh. We're just here today to show you some of the really awesome accessories that you can put on your new Jeep. This vehicle started life as a Jeep Sport Unlimited, and you can see now that we've turned it up a notch. So we'll start right up front. We'll work our way around. What we're doing this month is free accessory installation all month, and that's on all accessories from door handles to lift kits, from the smallest thing to the biggest thing. So we'll start up front with the steering damper. What that is it helps stabilize the vehicle. You can see we put a lift on this Jeep. It helps make it drive more stable going down the road, and it's a heavy-duty Fox steering damper. As we move around, like we talked about, a lift on this vehicle. This has got a 2-inch MOPAR lift, which means it carries a full factory warranty. You're not going to void your warranty by putting this lift on. You're going to have factory-trained technicians do it. It's going to be done right. It's going to ride right. And again, it's not going to void your warranty. You'll still carry your nationwide warranty wherever you go. Moving on around, we got the tubular steps kit down here. You can see those pretty beefy steps down there. When you put your Jeep in the air, you got to have a little bit of help there to get in. So we definitely got the tube steps available. We got the 5-inch LED light kits. This is just one of the many light kits that we've got available for this vehicle. But these lights will definitely light the trail up and keep you where you can see everything that's going on, even at nighttime on some of those back muddy trails. Let's open up the doors and see what we got here. So we've got the really cool Wrangler seal guards here. You're going to protect the finish of your Jeep and also give it that little standout with the Wrangler there. We got the grab handles. Again, like I said, when you need a little help getting in your lifted Jeep, the grab handles here are a must. Really cool Jeep branded grab handles as well. Now with the lights that we mentioned earlier, one cool thing is we're going to wire those up to your factory auxiliary switches inside so that you're not worried about having some holes drilled in your dash. It's going to be done right. It's going to look slick. Again, guys, don't forget, in the month of July, we're doing free installations on all accessories that we're selling here through the dealership. We'll make our way around to the back, and again, you can see how cool the lift looks with the Fox shocks in there. Come around to the back. Anytime that you raise the Jeep, one big thing is the tires and wheels, right? So we've got these bead-lock capable wheels on this vehicle. And when you do that, you can't just do 4, you got to do 5. So the 5 oversized wheels and tires are available. You also want to beef up your tailgate when you do that. We've got available hinge kit and oversized tire carrier kit for the back of the Jeep, and that way it keeps this thing nice and stable, and it actually relocates it a little bit higher to clear the bumper. And again, we also had to relocate the third brake light. Very cool Jeep logo here right in the middle of the third brake light reposition kit. So that's all stuff that you want to think about doing when you do a lift on this vehicle. Let's open it up and see what we got inside back here. One really cool thing, I'm big into tailgating, and anytime you're out on the trail, you might want to stop. You need a little space. We got the tailgate table. You can fold that down, frees you up a little space to do some camping, so spread your stuff out a little bit there. And underneath, we got the Jeep branded MOLLE bags. Those keep all your gear stored, safe and secure. So again, guys, don't forget, the month of July, we're doing free installation on all accessories. You've never seen this offer before anywhere. We've got dealers calling us from all over the place, hey, and how are you guys doing it? Because we are the Jeep store, that's how. LeithChryslerJeep.com is where you can find more information about us. LeithChryslerJeep.com. Come out to Leith Chrysler Jeep, see me. I'm Brad Smith. We'll get you guys taken care of.